Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at a powerhouse for your kitchen, the Vitamix Ascent Series X3 blender. Known for its exceptional durability and performance, this blender promises to handle everything from smoothies to soups with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned kitchen pro, the Vitamix Ascent X3 is designed to offer professional-grade blending in the comfort of your home. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at its features, performance, and overall value. The Vitamix Ascent X3 comes with a 48-ounce container, perfect for small to medium-sized batches, and a sleek motor base that houses a 2.2 horsepower motor. It's designed to tackle everything from frozen fruit to fibrous vegetables with its stainless steel laser-cut blades. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 3 pre-programmed blending settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. This automatic functionality takes the guesswork out of blending, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. There's also a pulse function for those who want more control over their blend, particularly when crushing ice or grinding nuts. And if you hate cleaning blenders, the X3's self-cleaning program is a game changer. Just add some warm water and a drop of dish soap, press the button, and in 60 seconds or less, your blender is clean and ready for the next task. But the X3 isn't just about powerful blending. It's also about convenience and versatility. The blender base can pair with other self-detect containers, which automatically adjust the blender settings based on the container or attachment you're using. That means you don't have to worry about manually adjusting blend times or speeds when you switch containers. The touch controls are intuitive, and the digital timer helps you track your blending progress, taking the guesswork out of manual processing. In terms of real-world performance, this blender delivers. I tested it with a variety of ingredients, from fibrous kale for green smoothies to frozen berries and ice for a chilled treat. The X3 made quick work of even the toughest ingredients, and I was left with silky smooth blends every time. The blender is surprisingly quiet, which is a huge bonus when you're used to the racket that comes with powerful blenders. The self-cleaning feature worked just as promised. It took just a minute to scrub away any residue, which is a nice time saver after a long blending session. Now, no product is perfect, and the X3 does have a few areas that might not be ideal for everyone. While the motor is powerful, it's also a bit bulky, making the blender take up more counter space than some might prefer. The 48-ounce container is a good size for most tasks, but if you're someone who regularly blends larger quantities, you might find yourself needing to upgrade to a bigger container. And while the touch controls are easy to use, they do take a bit of getting used to if you're accustomed to traditional dial-based blenders. As for value, the Vitamix Ascent X3 is priced higher than many standard blenders on the market. However, when you compare it to other high-performance models like the Blendtec Designer 725 or the Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender, the X3 stands out in terms of its build quality and the range of features it offers, including the self-cleaning function and the self-detect container compatibility. While you can find cheaper options, if you're after a blender that will last for years, handle all your kitchen tasks with ease, and come with a robust warranty, this blender's value is clear. Compared to other blenders, the Ascent X3 offers a unique blend of power, versatility, and ease of use. Its 2.2 HP motor can easily compete with more expensive competitors, but the X3 also comes with the added benefit of the pre-programmed settings and automatic adjustments when paired with the self-detect containers. This makes it a solid choice for anyone looking for professional-level blending at home. If you're willing to spend a bit more for the added features, the X3 could be a game changer in your kitchen. When it comes to build quality, Vitamix is known for its reliability, and the Ascent X3 is no exception. The stainless steel blades are durable, and the motor is designed to last through years of heavy use. Vitamix's 10-year warranty offers peace of mind, ensuring you won't have to worry about replacing the blender for a long time. Based on the brand's reputation for longevity, the X3 is likely to remain a strong performer in your kitchen for years to come. Customer support is another area where Vitamix excels. While I didn't have to use their service directly, the brand has a strong reputation for excellent customer service, with prompt responses and helpful support. Vitamix also offers a range of online resources, including detailed troubleshooting guides that can help you get the most out of your blender. In conclusion, the Vitamix Ascent X3 blender is a powerhouse kitchen tool that delivers professional-grade blending with ease. It offers a range of advanced features, including automatic blending programs, self-cleaning capabilities, and customizable blending with the self-detect containers. While the price point is higher than standard blenders, the X3 justifies it with its long-lasting build, powerful motor, and versatility. If you're serious about your blending and want a product that can handle everything from smoothies to hot soups, this blender is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Vitamix Ascent X3, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. The link to get the product is in the comments box. Until next time, happy blending, and goodbye from Reviewsinside TV, where we bring the best of the kitchen to you.